Welcome back to Growing with Creators. If you want to grow on YouTube without begging for views or relying on luck, then you are in the right place. Let's get straight into it. Many people think that YouTube is only about viral video. That's wrong. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world. Millions of people search every day on how to grow on YouTube, how to edit their content, or how to make money online. If your video already answers the question that people are searching about, then YouTube will push your content for free. This means that even small channels can grow without ads if they understand the search. Here is a simple method to go about this. Step 1. Go to your YouTube search bar on your app and type your topic. Type your topic and look at the suggestion YouTube gives you. Those suggestions are real search from real people. Step 2. Use those keywords in 3 major places: your title, your first 2 lines on the descriptions, and then your first 30 seconds on your content or on your videos. When you do this, you are telling YouTube exactly what your video is about. This is how your content becomes searchable instead of invisible. Let me talk about community signals. Listen to this carefully. Search brings people to your content or to your videos, then retention keeps them watching. Community signals include watch time, likes, comment on your content, then the shares and subscriber gained. When people stay longer on your videos and interact on it, then YouTube understands that your content is valuable. And when YouTube trusts your content, it shows it to more people. Here are simple things you should start doing today on your next content or on the next video you're going to create. Ask questions on your videos. This keeps people watching and pulls them to interact on your content. Pin a comment and invite discussions. Reply to your audience even if it's just few people on your comments. Use storytelling instead of talking like a robot. And always tell viewers what to do next. Like, comment, share, or subscribe, and then maybe watch another content of mine. Engagement is the new currency on YouTube. Here is the formula that most smart creators are using now. Search brings traffic. Community signals builds trust. Consistency builds momentum. When you combine these 3, your channel starts growing naturally. This is how small creators becomes big creators. Don't wait to be perfect. Don't wait for expensive equipment. Don't wait for motivation. Start now, improve every week, and stay consistent. Your future audience is already waiting for your content. If this helped you, like these videos so that YouTube can show it to more creators for more growth strategies. Comment below so we all can be serious about YouTube growth in 2026. See you in my next video. Bye.